we speak and use body language that are conformed to this world. I can't be the odd one. Am I the one that crucified Jesus? Why can't I live a normal life like Jesus? Why can't we have girls who are ready to give up lip combo and revealing clothes for the gospel? Why can't we have guys who are ready to live swaying of girls for the work of God? Why can't we have real ministers who will leave fornication and position? TAC is not a system of government. We drag position as if this is a political agenda that has nothing to do with gender equality. What do you have to say our witness our rally of today? Or the prayer band? It's not more a band of saints but of stains. It's not still glory in our choir uniform. TAC should not conform to this trend of revolution. Look around. We have more members, less Christians. More appeal, less giving, more administrations, less prayer, more flesh, less spirit. The devil is really working hard. Because instead of hands lending hands, feet washing feet, shouldering the bodies of brothers and sisters, we've evolved to hands piercing hands, feet stepping on feet, shoulders brushing and increasing the bodies of brothers and sisters. See, 1 foot, 1 level isn't just a level, it's a goal. I beckon on you to break free from this trend of evolution. As for me, I will lay my life at his feet. I will lay my life at his feet. I will give up my pride and my name for the sake of Christ's name. I'm willing to be a living sacrifice at his feet in spirit and in truth. Even when it's not fit, I'll beat myself so hard even when I can't breathe. I'm willing to pay that sacrifice because the nations are waiting. The people are. The master is in need that will break forth from this trend of evolution. May we remain faithful to God. Because after all, it is true. He who takes his stance, take heed, lest he falls. Thank you very much.